These last few years behind me, Lord, have been so bad. I fought proudly for my country when the times were bad. When they find me and they kill me, oh, when they shoot me down, won't you fly, old glory, proudly, pin my medals in the ground. I'm coming home to see you, Jesus. Well, it feels so close this time. Please take mercy on a soldier from the Florida, Georgia lines. When they find me, they must kill me. Oh, Jesus, save my soul. I can't go back down to Rayford. I can't take